Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Today we got a project, that's another project from the Penn State Industries folks. They've been very generous in letting me do some of the videos for them. This is an ice cube scoop. And we're going to be making that today. So we're going to take it out of the kit and see all these different parts. And of course all their project kits come with a nice little instruction sheet on how to do this. So we have 4 parts that are stainless steel and 1 piece that are brass. And this looks like a relatively simple project. So the first thing we're going to do is glue this into the wood handle. Okay, so I'm looking at some different possibilities of wood. I've got a piece of spalted maple here. I've got a piece of purple heart, but I checked my stock and I've got a piece of marble wood, and I've never used marble wood before, so I am allergic to certain types of woods. For instance, coca-cola I'm extremely allergic to, so whenever I'm experimenting with a new piece of wood I always check the wood database, and I did just check for marble wood, and this is little or no allergies known with marble wood. Okay, we need instructions say we need a 10 millimeter drill bit on this. Okay, so I poured some epoxy out, and like I've said before on other videos, I really don't like using CA. I think it's too brittle. I've had too many pen blanks break on me that way. So the way I do it, I use epoxy, and I use this dental wax. You can get this on Amazon, and you just do this, and that holds in there, so when you're putting the epoxy in here, it doesn't get inside the brass tube. So liberal amount of epoxy. It's nice to have one of these tube insertion tools in your kit, and I like putting a lot on, and then when I do the insertion I'll do that. Okay, here are the 2 part numbers. The bushing is that, and the steel scoop is this part number, PK Ice. Please note there are 2 different dimensions on here, so the scoop end gets the larger one and the cap end gets the smaller bushing. So I've been turning for about 15 years on a regular basis, and one of my favorite finishes is this Triple E Ultra Shine. This is a wax that has a little bit of abrasive in it, and it's a terrific base coat. This is also available at Penn State Industries. This could be used with my favorite, Mylan's friction polish, and also can be used with Sheila wax. So the way I apply this, so just get a little bit of the wax and apply it. Actually, I got a little bit too much on right there. Let me see. So you really can't beat this for beauty and speed. And a little bit of dirt there, that's from the bushings. So I didn't get real fancy on this handle because I want the person's eye to see the marble wood. This is a nice wood. I've never used this before. It's a little pungent, but it's a beautiful wood. And of course, Penn State Industries sells blanks also for a variety of projects. So all you do is just rub this in, and this becomes extremely smooth. As I said, this has a little bit of abrasive in it, and some wax. All right, so look how beautiful that is. I'm going to just polish up a little bit here. And with Mylan's friction polish, just shake it up real good, because it does separate when it's just sitting on the shelf. And then you can put 2 or 3 coats of this on. So I like making tops and pens and other small items like this. Of course, all these kits are available at Penn State. So 2 or 3 coats, wipe it on, buff it off. And that's it. Look how beautiful that is. Just gorgeous. Okay, this is a real simple kit. You've got the handle. Look how pretty that marble wood is. You've got the scoop itself, a piece that goes here, a little screw, and an end cap. Let's put this together. Couldn't be easier. Okay, and there you have it. Your beautiful little ice scooper. Great for those times you're having a little party, you need a little touch of elegance, a little touch of class. Okay, so that's the project. This is available at Penn State Industries in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This came out extremely well. It's a very beautiful item. I think this would be a great gift. And hey, give those folks over at Penn State Industries a call. They have excellent customer service and always willing to help. So thanks for tuning in today. I really appreciate you spending a few minutes of your day with me. So until next time, I'll see you on another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Thank you. Bye-bye.